Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best golf rangefinder Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is TecTecTec VPRO500 Golf Rangefinder. Such a pleasant company, he called 3 times. The TecTecTec VPRO500 Golf Rangefinder is a highly effective product that has been redesigned, your technology more up to date to provide. These pin sensor device contains new technology, 3 different scan modes to make available and diopter adjustment, comprehensive control over your measurements and let other golfers in their fight to wake. Giving 540-meter range, there are some holes where you cannot use this case at all, and what it is intended for, combine the battery and the cleaning cloth to move with a big price to the list of odometer someone up to consideration. However, these features can be, and rangefinder cannot always treat sometimes confusing flags trees. We would have no difficulty with this confusion, so if you can look beyond that, then we can. Number 2. Our second best pick is Callaway 300 Pro Golf Laser Rangefinder. A notebook and a pencil are generally for determining the distance from the use golfers for the pen. This gives the player an idea of how far or moderate gain to pivot advantage. This can be stressful, and when we're honest, it's a little old school. With the new era of Callaway Golf Range 300 Pro search engine, you can determine the distance you need to get those long shots walk. It is so precise that the tendency measures, exactly calculating the slope and the disintegration and the exact distance slope provides. Of course, this feature can be disabled for professional tournaments such as well as indicator squealing sound. This display disappears when the range search is the pen with a pen precision-oriented acquisition technology. The capture technology locks in the pin up 300 meters to see the option, the measurements in meters or yards. In addition, the magnifying glass in the view of the field course exploration expanded 1,000 meters for multiple targets. This is certainly a great feature for both professional golfers and amateurs to explore the landscape of the likely risks or useful angle. In the late day, this high-precision scanner does a good job in tracking, and the pen offers the advantage you need for a successful swing. Number 3. Our third best pick is Precision Pro Golf NX7 Pro Slope Golf Rangefinder. Precision Golf Pro NX7 earring hits the target perfectly and units the top of our list of the best golf rangefinder. First, we focus on design that is compact for easy carrying and easy in the pocket through the course, and provides a time-lapse housing that it securely holds hands before the inevitable fall. These protection is enhanced further provided with a carrying bag for peace of mind between rounds. The telemetry technology is also packed with impressive features, adaptable including slope measuring both upward and downward while covering the vibration of the pulse gives you confidence the correct field picking club. With a range of 400 meters, is not looking further than we collected, but more than enough for your course through local clearing. Optical reading speed and precision have difficulty finding elsewhere. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wosports Golf Rangefinder. For the distances far-reaching, professional golfers cannot escape. The Wosports Golf Laser Rangefinder includes 650 meters away. Exactly, the locking function flags if the device in the direction of the index pin, a gentle vibration confirms the distance flag has been blocked. I press the power button after the flag has been located, scanning so then it displays the exact distance on the LCD screen. You can still keep the distance displayed on the screen, even moving force down. For irregular key landscapes, that function calculates the slope accurate distance measurement and decreasing slope and provides accurate distance, allowing a clear shot and well calculated. This mode can be on or off depending on the preference. You can also switch the reading the distance in meters or feet. In addition to the calculation of the distance, he also measures the angle and speed, which gives an advantage over round tournaments. This rangefinder is easy to use with 2 buttons performing all operations. It is also light on the hands, a provision of easy grip. Are still on the fence about this remarkable rangefinder? Guarantee of 18 months could only convince. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is TecTecTec ULT-X Golf Rangefinder. Not all rangefinder can withstand weather conditions without prior notice. This can end up at a disadvantage put a player. The ULT-X Laser Golf TecTecTec Rangefinders performs phenomenal in rain, wind and fog conditions and offers the advantage every player wants unhindered. With the cutting edge, developed the technology of this high-end device that accurately measures long distances. A signal blocking technology ensures that the device recognizes flags at 450 meters and dangerous levels which are suitable to prevent you from making the desired albatross. This is achieved by 6x magnification approaching areas through the landscape offered by the also to avoid clarity and brightness necessary bunkers. This golf rangefinder it includes a modern optical technology, one of the most reliable, provide measurements with exceptional accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 meters shorter distances plus or minus 1 meter, and distances up to 1,000 meters range. It would not complete without the function of the slope, tilt and fall is right measured to ensure accuracy in rough terrain. This feature easily be turned off when it is not needed. Pull the back of the front panel of your activating position to the OFF mode. With an accurate scanner that vibrates once the target is detected, and high-end technology, which improves performance, ULT-X is definitely a must-have. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.